You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the syndrome, named after two different scientists, a group of disorders that affect cognitive tissues supporting the skin, the bones, blood vessels. For more medical terms, pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. So the first name is from a Danish scientist, and in Danish his name is said as Ehlers, 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 okay. The second name is from a French scientist whose name was Danlos, Danlos. So in principle, the correct pronunciation would be as Ehlers Danlos, Ehlers Danlos Syndrome. But, of course, those names are a bit difficult for English speakers to say that way. So in English, it's usually referred to as, in British English, Ehlers Danlos, Ehlers Danlos, or in American English, in the US as opposed to the UK, Ehlers Danlos, Ehlers Danlos Syndrome, Ehlers Danlos Syndrome. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.